Hey guys, Thatnub here. Today we're checking out this dual flashlight kit from MSFORCE. Inside the box you get a user card, battery charger, 2 flashlights, and 3 18650 lithium-ion batteries. We are going to start off with the smaller of the two. This is the A310 and this is a 1000 lumen output. You can unscrew the back, pull out this, which will allow you to put 3 AAA batteries in to power this light, or with this sleeve here, use one 18650 battery to power the light. In the back we have an orange button, which is your on-off button, and if you half click it, it will cycle through low, medium, high, strobe, and SOS. You can also zoom to get all of your light focused into one point, which shoots out a little bit further, or have a floodlight which will light up everything in a nearby area. The bigger of the two lights is the A390, and this is powered by 2 18650 batteries. This will put out 2000 lumens of light. Operation is the same as the smaller light. On. Cycle through the modes with half clicks. You can also zoom the light to pinpoint 2000 lumens into one spot, or give you a floodlight for everywhere in the area. This light also comes with a belt clip, and both flashlights come with this beveled front here, just in case you need to crack somebody in the head. To charge these 18650 batteries, they give you this wall charger. You have to push a little bit hard to get the batteries to seat all the way in. That way you know they're not going to come out. When this light down here turns green, you know they're charged. Currently on Amazon, this set is selling for less than $28, which gets you 2 flashlights, 3 lithium-ion 18650 1500 milliamp hour batteries, a battery charger, a 18650 spacer, and a AAA adapter. So let's take these lights outside, shine them around, throw them against some trees, and see how well they perform. It is dark 30 and we are outside. Let's go ahead and try our 1000 lumen light out. It's going to start off on high. And that lights up pretty much all of the yard there. See the light off of the trees there just a little bit, maybe even a hint off of the trees across the road there. Let's zoom this in. And there's the pump house. Trees, you can see them light up pretty well. And even the trees across the road there seem to light up okay. Let's go to medium. A little bit darker, but you can still see the whole yard there. You can see it off of the trees, but it doesn't really seem to add any more light than just with the naked eye. Let's put it on to low. There we go. And that is good enough for walking around. Zoom it in some. Alright. Then we have the strobe and SOS. Now let's try the 2000 lumen light, and that's going to again start off on high. Doesn't really seem any brighter than the 1000 lumen light, but it still lights up the whole yard there. Let's zoom it in. There it is to the pump house. Trees. trees across the road. Everything out here in the yard. Let's put it on to medium. And low. Then we have strobe and SOS. Then back to high. Okay, so now we'll try out the two lights together on bright, zoomed in. Here is the 1000 lumen, and here is the 2000 lumen. Well, the 1000 seems a little bit brighter. Let's see, 1000 on the trees, 2000 on the trees. Go across the road, 1000, 2000. About the same out the distance. Let's zoom them out. So there is the 2000. There is the 1000. 2, 1. So because they said that these flashlights are tactical, we are going to throw them against the tree like we do all of the tactical lights that we get. You guys know how this works. Across the yard, there is a tree way over there, and we are going to just throw it, hope it hits some wood, knocks around a little bit, and lands. Do that a few times, see if they still work. So here goes the first one. Let's go ahead and zoom these out. Right there. Oh, not even to the tree. Let's try this one. Whoa. Okay. Well, they both seem to be working. Let's go get them. Here we go with try 2. 2000 lumen. This is a tree. Ooh, looks like it went on the strobe. And 1000. And that one went to SOS. Ooh, we got a little bit of tree there. Last try with this. As you can see, both lights are still working, so I guess they will hold up to a little bit of torture. Well, that's all I have for this video. As always, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website. We'll see you guys on the next one.